Alright, y'all see I'm back with another video. Making these chicken wings right here. These gonna call honey chicken wings. Alright, y'all see what I'm doing. See what ingredients I'm using. That's what I'm using. But you can use any ingredients you want. And put a little honey in there, so check it out. That's what I'm doing. Yeah. Oh, that's all the seasoning I'm doing, but I'm gonna do it this way. Look, y'all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, check it out. Doing something different, y'all. Oh, it's gonna taste good, man. I'm telling you. Y'all should try, man. Shit, it's gonna be good. Flip it over here. Yeah. Let's get both sides of the joint right here. Flip them over. Yeah, cause that's what I'm doing right now. Flip it over both sides. Yeah, check it out, y'all. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, look at it. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm showing y'all what you do. I already used them ingredients right there. So this is the last ingredients. Then I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in the flour. Alright, stand by, I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back again. So that's what I'm doing. Had to go wash my hands. Now we're gonna take these chicken and do it like this. Yeah. Flip it over. Let it get all in there. Get all on the sides and stuff, y'all. So this is what I'm gonna do. Shake the excess off. And I'm gonna drop it in the grease. Should be ready. Yeah, buddy. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing today on these chicken wings. Oh, they gonna be delicious. Let's go ahead and flip it on there. See, it's gonna stick right to the flour. That's what I'm doing. I'm dropping straight in the grease. Yeah, buddy. Alright, y'all know who it is. It's Mr. Mrlwood Videos. So that's what I'm doing right there. Alright, y'all. Y'all stand by for the end results. It's gonna be coming soon. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, showing y'all the process while me cooking it. And look at it. Yeah, that's gonna look beautiful, boy. Oh yeah, look at it. Alright, let's stand by. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm ready to take them out here and drain them. See how crispy it is? Yeah, they're a little crispy there. Yeah, I'm gonna take them out. Let them drain right here a little bit, y'all. That's what I'm doing right now. Yeah, stand by. Yeah, they look beautiful. It's a beautiful thing there. That's what I'm doing, y'all. Drain them out. And on here like that. Yeah. Alright, y'all, that's what I'm doing right now. Alright, y'all, and then I'm gonna put them in the oven here. Alright, see what kind of sauce I'm using. Oh man, the best. If y'all don't know, it's the best sauce out here. Alright, y'all, stand by. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all see what I'm doing next. Check it out, y'all. Oh yeah, that's what I'm doing next on it, y'all. Putting some barbecue sauce on it. Oh yeah, check it out. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not. Turn this on a second. So yeah, I'm taking the barbecue sauce and spread it all around it. Then I'm put in the oven for about another 8 minutes. Oh, this is gonna be a beautiful thing. Alright, you see what else I'm doing? You know what I'm doing. I love my potatoes, you say I got the air fryer, so that's what I'm doing. So stand by, I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back again with the end results. Y'all see it. Honey baked chicken wings. Barbecues too. Honey baked barbecue chicken wings. Check it out, y'all. Alright, y'all. Look at the end results. Alright, can y'all see it? Yeah, look delicious. Alright, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit all post notification. If you're new to my page, Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to share. All right, y'all. I got to go. You know what time it is. I'm out. Peace.